But one of the things that really stuck out to me was employment, right? And we talked about keeping employees safe, keeping employees engaged, keeping employees employed, you know, and a lot of times the stigma with automation may be that we're taking jobs away. Can you tell me a little bit about how we're actually able to add more jobs and maybe with being able to expand to big companies, big places like this,
yeah,
there's more jobs that you're able to fulfill?
Yeah, I mean, for us, you know, right now, especially the past couple of years, job market's been extremely competitive, probably the most competitive job market we've seen in the past 30, 40 years. With that, you know, I think, you know, people always do think with their pocketbooks, but in such a competitive job market, people always want work-life balance. They don't want to, you know, they want to be able to go home, play with their kids, have fun with their wife, go out to dinner, and still have time to do things like that. You know, so for us, a big part of the value add that we offer to our employees, one, with automation, the job in some ways becomes less physically stressful. We allow kind of for a less emotionally stressful life by being able to leverage the automation to give them a work-life balance. And the jobs that we're providing are significantly higher paying than somebody just packing boxes on the line.